Uh, Hi, very good evening. Myself, P. Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. And today, we are going to discuss about what is integrated automation, and then what are the applications we are going to use in integrated automations. Okay, so basically, what is automation? So before we think about automation, we should know about the industrial evaluations. Okay, so right now people are using industry 4.0 and then industry 5.0. Industries are right now using. Okay, basically what is industry 4.0? So without manual application, we have to control the all kind of works. We can control the all kind of work. For the application, we'll be having the kind of actuators, the kind of applications, in softwares, and then that kind of sensors. So combined all those equipments and components and softwares and sensors, we are going to control the entire functions of the functions and the entire process. Okay, so this is what automation. So right now we are in industry 4.0, industry 4.0. Okay, and also what is automation? So the technically the making of apparatus and the process or a system operate out automatically. Okay, so that means we have to control the entire process of manufacturing process or entire work to the without manual application. We have to control, and also we need to monitor. We need to monitor the entire parameters. Okay, so this is what automation. So next, for the automation application, what kind of switches inputs we needed, and then what kind of applications we needed, what kind of soft like electrical components like PLC, and then SCADA, which is PLC, which is used for controlling applications. But also we can use using for the programming applications. PLC also we can program, but we can program using some symbols of symbols and other kind of applications. Okay, likewise, SCADA, which is used for to monitor the entire process. Okay, likewise in the screen you can see the one packing process for the body filling system, and then after filling the water or any liquid, and that label also have to sync up all those entire surface of the our bottle. Okay, so these are all kind of applications we can done it using by only one single automated applications. Okay, example, we can use the PLC and embedded system, and then those kind of applications we can use. Okay, okay, example, we should know about the PLC for this session. Okay, because we have a multiple syllabus and multiple topics about PLC also. Okay, so basically PLC is a programming logic controller which is used for to control the all kind of applications, some kind of symbols. Okay, some kind of symbols. Okay, so the like the PLC receives the information from the connected sensors and input devices, process of the data, and triggers outputs based on the pre-programmed parameters. Depending on the inputs and outputs, a PLC can monitor the record and runtime data such that machine productivity and operating temperatures, automatically start and stop process, generate the alarms if a machine multi-functions, and more. Okay, the programmable logic controllers are flexible and robust control solutions adapted for almost all other applications. Okay, so before that, before we go into the automation, we should know about the relay circuits and then other input output circuits. So basically we have a syllabus in our integral automation syllabus. The first unit is covered with PLC, second is covered with the PLC infrastructures, and then third unit covered with the communication between these PLCs and then actuators, and fourth is covered with SCADA and the fifth is covered with the DCS, distributed control systems. Okay, so basically, PLC, said about already PLC. You can see the PLC, which is connected from the actuators and then inputs, and then sensor from the fields. Okay, so it's like a ECU. We have to get the all kind of inputs from the pumps, and then we have from the push buttons, and all we can get from the sensors. Okay, basically it may be any kind of sensor. According to application, we can change it. Okay, so it may be a temperature sensor for the boiler applications, pressure sensor for the boiler applications, and then PLC, we have many kind of PLC available like Siemens, Delta, those kind of PLC hardware is available. Okay, in the PLC, sorry, in the PLC, we have a like you can see in the top. Okay, sorry, top, we have many kind of inputs and then many kind of outputs available. Okay, so we can control the entire input output by connecting those inputs to the our PLCs. Okay, so like push buttons will be taken as the our inputs, and the pumps will be taken as the outputs. Okay, so the sensors will be taking the input outputs by the feedback system, so we can control the entire system by the closed loop control system. So we can use the manufacturing process, and then we can use the assembly lines, and then we can use the robot control systems, and then we can use it for the quality inspection and the other applications too. So you can see the application which are where we can use it. Okay, so for the pick and place robot, for the CNC, for the automated control process like alarm setup, those kind of applications we can use it, this kind of PLCs. Okay, so already I said about is a PLC is a digital computer which is having a multiple of input outputs, and also which is having external temperature ranges, and then we can control the resistance to the vibration as a impacts. Okay, so likewise you can see that in the systems we can control the all kind of input outputs by using our PLC systems. Okay. So this is about PLC and other systems. Um, so we should know about introduction about that. These are the years. So these are some PLC makers like Siemens, Omron, and Mitsubishi, and Bradley. Those companies are having separate PLC for the separate applications, and Honeywell, Panasonic, those kind of applications where they are having separate PLC also. Okay. So thank you for watching, and remaining remaining contents we can see in our next video. Thank you.